Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I teach you how you can go from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea into something that is profitable so you can live a life of freedom. This is the second video introducing you to Know to Grow. Now, if you missed the first one, you can get caught up pretty easily. I hate long videos, so these will be fairly short. Enough that you're not incredibly bored, but long enough that I can actually get the point across. Today, I want to tell you what I'm all about. I have two big defining characteristics. First, I'm an introvert, but I'm also what I like to call left of normal. Now, I'll link to my Left of Normal podcast in the description, but the short version is that I am an undiagnosed level 1 autism. It's what used to be called Aspergers Syndrome. This combination of personality traits has forced me to figure out how to live a life that's in somewhat of a unique manner. It also means that I don't get off with big groups of people, and I don't mind the occasional house party, but for the most part, give me a couple of good friends, let's head outdoors. I'm all about hiking through the mountains, climbing big peaks, camping in remote areas, hunting, fishing, and then just exploring the world we have before us. Show me the hard way to the top, and I'll take the hard way to the top. So I realized long ago that there aren't enough hours in the day to scale every single mountain. But there are when you have the flexibility to do what you want, when you want to do it. In essence, we can't be bothered with punching a clock and showing our boss that we're there in our seat every morning at 8 a.m. sharp. Instead, let's make money doing what we love to do and then just do it some more. That's why I designed Know to Grow, because you have skills that 90% of people don't have, and you can get paid with them. I discovered that while you can do this, a lot of people don't have any idea how to get started doing this. So I compiled 10 plus years of lessons that I learned starting my own gig into an easy to digest, step-by-step online course that can take you to a life of freedom where you make money doing something that you love to do. Then, when you don't have to worry about showing up to work at a certain time every day, you can spend your free time doing more of what you love. Whether that's outdoors, indoors, in the city, or in the mountains, you do you because you have the freedom to do it. Now, I'll be here to guide you along the way. I'm here to cheer you on, coach you when you're needed, and inspire you when it's necessary. And ultimately, I give you the roadmap to success because I believe that a life of freedom shouldn't cost you a ton of money. That's why I offer this course packed with thousands of dollars worth of value for a fraction of that cost. In the end, if you implement what you've learned, you will make back many times over the cost of the course in the first month. So if it's time to make a change in your life and to start being free from the shackles of your job, head over to www.knowtogrow and sign up for free today.